Leo, Leo.
People just want to give up big lads. So different colors.
What?
So just gonna want to.
Ada sampai kami buka. Run. Have your tin legs sampai. Iya. Welcome a lot and kindly don't forget to subscribe. So guys, today your girl here is preparing some githeri. The githeri is ready. It was boiled yesterday. So mine is just to fry it. So as you can see, as you've seen from the beginning, I had started by frying the onions and some carrots, and now I wanna add my spices. So with me here I have some black pepper. Then again I'm gonna add paprika. Lastly I'm gonna add some githeri masala. Only that. No roiko, no anything. Nothing more to be added. Pitisha tu hiyo maji hadi huko. Pitisha tu hata hiyo. Nini kwa hapo hivyo. Just your preference. You don't put more or less. For me, medium size is just enough. hot water. So guys, I forgot to tell you, or I've seen it appropriate to tell you, that Githeri is a mixture of corn and beans. At times you can even decide to put your groundnuts, the so-called peanuts, the raw one. You boil them together. It also tastes good. And in that Githeri, you can decide to fry it differently, whereby you can mix your cabbage together with some Irish potato, which makes it taste so good. So for me, I've just decided to fry it manually, and I'm gonna have it with some called avocado. So that's it, guys. After like 2 minutes, I'm gonna remove my Githeri out, and it's gonna be ready. So that's for lunch. So guys, thanks for clicking. If you like this video, kindly don't give it a thumbs up. In case you have any question, you can put it down in the comment section. I'll be able to read and answer you appropriately. So see you again next time. Thanks for now. Bye. Ciao.